Okay, students, now we will do the discussion of the journal steps of the extraction of the metal. Now, as you can see that here this is the rock, and within the rock you can say there are different types of mines of different types of the minerals. Now here we will discuss about the mineral of the copper. Now students, as you can see clearly that here this is the mineral of the copper. Now why I'm just saying it the mineral, because here at the center this is the copper pyrite CuFeS2, but it is basically associated with different type of impurities. Now this is no longer known as ore, it is known as mineral because it is now in combined form with the impurities. Now students, the first step is that we have to bring that mineral in the industries. Now just look at this. Here this is the mineral of the copper that contain the impurities. Here this is the black pointer basically show the presence of the association of different type of the impurities. Now here at the center this is the compound of the metal. Now the compound of the metal and the impurities when takes place and associated with each other, it is known as the mineral. Now students, after obtaining that mineral we have to bring it into the industries. Now in industries we have to do the metallurgical process. Now there are three steps of the metallurgical process. The first one is the concentration, the second one is the extraction, and the third one is the refining. Now student, what happens, what is the step by step mechanism of the extraction of the metal? Just look at the first one. Here this is the mineral of the copper, in which the impurities are associated with the copper pyrite. Copper pyrite is a compound of the metal which is associated with the impurities. It is now in that condition it is known as mineral. Now students, when we are just removing the impurities from the minerals, now it no longer remain the mineral, it is converted into the copper pyrite ore. You can clearly see that we can remove the impurities, and the process in which we can remove the impurities from the mineral or the ores, it is known as concentration. Now students, after concentration the impurities are removed and we get the compound of the metal. Now student, the next step after getting the compounds of the metal is the extraction. Now what happens, what is the process of the extraction? Now students, in the process of the extraction, the separation of the other compound to obtain the isolated metal takes place. It means now we have to remove that FeS2 and we have to isolate the copper. Okay, now in the process of extraction we have to obtain, we have to extract, we have to isolate the desired metal, and the desired metal here is the copper. So we have to separate the copper and remove the other compound like the FeSO2. So that process is known as extraction, in which we can extract or isolate the desired metal. Now after the extraction process we can separate the other compounds and we obtain the copper. Now students, you can see after extraction we will get the copper. Now student, that copper is not in the pure form. Now how to make it pure? We can do the process of the refining. That is the third step of the metallurgical operation, in which there is a further refining or the purification of the metal takes place to get the pure metal, and after the refining process the impure copper is converted into the pure copper metal. Now here this is the major crux of that topic, and after that we will discuss it in detail.